Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the EMODnet Open Sea Lab. It is finally the day that we start the actual hacking. We're going to wait for another maybe another 1 minute, as we still have people coming in. So the last few weeks, we have gone through all of the challenges with our lead mentors. We have discussed the blue economy. We have extensively given presentations on how to use the digital twin ocean platform that I understand many of you are going to be using today for your solutions. Okay. So let's get this going. This session is not going to last too long. This is primarily for us to kind of get to know each other a little bit better. We have some fun questions planned for you. We are going to hear also a welcome note from Kate Larkin, the head of EMODnet Secretariat, who is here with us today. Also with us today, we have a big part of the mentor and coaching team that you also had the opportunity to meet, whether it was on the Discord platform over the past few weeks or during the warm-up sessions that we held in this last 2 weeks. We're very glad that you managed to join us today. That means that you managed to get yourself into a team. This is great, and we really look forward to seeing the solutions that you're going to be creating. So now I'm going to pass to Kate Larkin. Kate, good morning. Can you hear us?
Good morning, everyone. Yes, I can hear you well, and I can see that there's more than 60 participants online, which is fantastic to see already so early in the morning. Welcome to everyone, wherever you're connecting from today. It's a pleasure to welcome you on behalf of the European Marine Observation and Data Network. So I would like to say a few words about this Open Sea Lab 4.0 and also about EMODnet itself. So EMODnet, as the European In Situ Marine Data Service of the European Commission, this is owned and managed by the Directorate General for Maritime Affairs and Fisheries, DG Mare. And as many of you know, EMODnet has been a core part of the marine knowledge landscape in Europe for more than 15 years now. And today, EMODnet is a key EU asset for marine knowledge. It's already serving more than 120,000 diverse stakeholders per year via the portal that many of you are already exploring in the context of this hackathon. And as you know, the unique asset of EMODnet is that it brings together marine environmental data from many different parameters across many thematics, but also together with human activities, information and data, which is really important if we're going to have a holistic understanding of the ocean and also bring together the human impacts on the ocean as well. So today, EMODnet's marine data and knowledge are already being used in many concrete applications. You can see already on the EMODnet portal how EMODnet supports EU policy implementation, such as the Marine Strategy Framework Directive, such as maritime spatial planning, but also enabling blue economy planning, operations and impact assessments, and driving research and innovation. And many of these different sectors and domains are challenges with which you will be facing today and in the coming days through the hackathon. Now, hackathons for us are really exciting as a service because they really offer a unique chance for you, stakeholders across the world, to really innovate societal applications and solutions based on EMODnet and other open source data. And the previous OSL3 produced some really great examples. I'll just summarize a couple of them. Some of the winning solutions leveraged EMODnet data to produce optimized route navigation tools, which was a cost-saving exercise for the blue economy, but also had conservation elements to be able to avoid vulnerable marine ecosystems. We had a wildlife tracker supporting effective management and conservation of marine ecosystems. And we had a science communication tool as well, bringing different data together to raise awareness across society about the ocean. So there's a whole range of different types of societal applications, whether they're very technical or more societally facing. And we're really looking for you to innovate the EMODnet data in this context. Since the last Open Sea Lab, EMODnet has become the in situ component of the European Digital Twin Ocean. And this means that EMODnet's diverse offer of in situ data is now available in a common data lake on the cloud, together with data from Copernicus Marine Service. Now, this, of course, offers new possibilities for big data analysis, for computer modeling, for scenario building. So we're really excited that this hackathon gives you that opportunity as participants. It's actually the first hackathon where you will have access not only to the EMODnet and the Copernicus Marine Service portals or services as they are, but also exclusive access to these data through the pilot European Digital Twin Ocean platform. And so whilst this OpenSea Lab is an EMODnet hackathon as a series, this is delivered today, the OpenSea Lab 4, in close partnership with Copernicus Marine Service and with the editor experts that are joining us as mentors and coaches together with our long-standing EMODnet experts. We also have a really prestigious jury panel, including European Commission, policy officers, and many others, including ICs that will be helping assess and judge the team outputs in the next couple of days. And then finally, this OpenSea Lab, as you know, takes place fully online. We had a great success with the last edition, 3.0. So we're following this format to be really inclusive, encourage a really diverse participation. And this has really seemed to be very attractive to people because we have more than 400 registrations. We have at least 24 viable teams, as I understand, which vary in size and are very diverse in participants. So we're really excited to see the interest. Also from over 50 countries the participants have registered from. And so without further ado, I'd like to kick off the OpenSea Lab 4.0, which is to harness the power of EMODnet for the European Digital Twin Ocean. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Kate. Thank you for this, giving us also a bit more context after everything that we have been discussing these last few weeks and communicating to the participants in the last few months. As you can tell also from what Kate has just told us, we really do take your solutions on board. We spend a lot of time after the hackathon examining them. So everything that you will be doing in the next 2 days really is going to we are trying to make them part of solutions that we're working on with other organizations, other partners around Europe. So now is the time to move a little bit forward. I will invite also Michele to join us. Good morning, Michele. Many of you have seen Michele in the last few weeks during all the warm-up sessions, and I understand that most of you probably have been in touch with him. We are going to go to something a little bit fun for the next few minutes, again, to just get a little bit more information and to break the ice among the teams before we all get to the hacking part. So, Michele.
All right, so I think, Angelique, it's time to get to know each other a little bit. So we have a series of polls that we would like you guys to answer. So I would say let's get on with it, and let's start with the first one. So the first one is which corner of the globe are you joining from? So let me launch the poll. You should see on your screen right now the chance to answer, and we will give it maybe a few seconds for you to reply to this. Well, we know where the majority of the people is joining from, and yes, the poll is showing it. So let me end the poll and let me share the results with you. So 95 of the people are joining from Europe, and we have a few people from Africa, 2%, and Asia, 2%. So this is the distribution of the people. So a lot of people are here in Europe with us.
I do understand that, of course, our solutions, of course, we are a European organization, but we do also have participants, I think, joining from North America and Central America. And of course, it's great that we have participants from different regions to also be able to see how applicable solutions can be in different regions of the world.
All right, good. So this one is more about you, who you are. So here you should select the option that best fits you. Are you a data scientist, an artificial intelligence machine learning specialist, a marine scientist, a researcher. We have also the engineer, tech innovator option, policy and sustainability advocates, blue economy professional, science communication professional, and then maybe we have a lot of students also from ECOP, or early career ocean professionals, environmental coastal manager, technology sensing and GIS expert. And if you are not in this category, you can also reply other. Yeah, so we have a lot of marine scientists, Angeliki.
As you said, though, I also see that we have a good distribution overall, which is great. We also have so we do have a lot of marine scientists. We also have a lot of students in ECOPS, also very important. These are good. We already have some of this information, but it's also important for us to capture this a little bit better from the participants that will actually get to the hacking part. This information is
Absolutely.
very useful to us in understanding also our user base and our stakeholders. So yeah, good to see that we managed to get such good distribution.
Yeah. Yeah, diversity in this hackathon, as Kate was mentioning, is very important. So we're really happy about this. Now let's go to the poll number 3. This one is a little bit more fun. So let me launch it. If you were a sea creature, what would it be? So we have the first one is squid, a creative multitasker. The second one is dolphin, social and strategic. I am for the dolphin, Angeliki. I am a dolphin. It's my favorite animal. Whale, big picture thinker. Shark, fast and fearless. And then we have nudibranch, colorful and diverse. So let's give it
Let's
again.
see. I'd probably like to be a combination of sea creatures, which would not end up well. But nudibranch seems to be a great choice, I think.
So, squid, creative multitasker, is the winner.
Okay.
Then dolphin, whale, nudibranch, and shark at last. All right.
Shark, fast and fearless. Okay. Yes, it's not everyone's apparently first choice, but it's great that we have creative multitaskers here joining us. It's going to be and the social and strategic and big picture thinkers. These are great assets to have in your team. All right, let's go to the next one.
All right, let's go to the next one. The next one is a little bit more serious. What's the biggest threat to the ocean sustainability in your opinion? So let me run it. So we have pollution, we have climate change impacts, we have biodiversity loss, and we have data gaps and limited insights. So while we were writing down this poll, we did have a discussion talking about it. Each one of them is highly connected, right, Angeliki? It's mainly, most of them are results of human activities, but we wanted to split it into different categories for us to understand better. So I will give it a couple of seconds more.
While you're giving it a couple of seconds more, I just want to say I see that we have some raised hands. Unfortunately, during this session, we will not be able to take any questions or answers. But if there's anything that you would like to say, please feel free to write in the chat. I do see we also have one of our winners from the previous hackathon. Welcome, Isida. Great to see you again here. If we have some time during the award ceremony on Thursday, towards the end, we are going to try and give the floor to some of our participants, actually. Okay, let's see what the results are.
So it seems it's very, very even. We have climate change impacts as first with 31%, then biodiversity loss 30%, and then pollution, but they're all on the same level, let's say, right? 30% each.
Truth is that they're all big threats.
Yeah.
To ocean sustainability, to the environment as a whole. Okay, let's look at the next one. And this is what we're trying, these are some of the things that we're going to offer some solutions if we can through this hackathon as well. So yes, we would like to know which hackathon challenge you're going to tackle these next couple of days.
So let's give it a couple of seconds.
We already knew that indeed challenge 2, 3, 4. Well, I think that now there was a very good distribution. We did have some favorites in the start, but the distribution became smoother. So, okay. We do have some really great ideas in every category. But I suppose that that EMODnet for a healthy and productive marine environment is the one that is most popular, challenge number 2. Let's see what ideas, what creative ideas we're going to get from that. Okay, and I think we have
a couple more.
Couple of more.
So what is your top goal for this hackathon? Okay, so we have learning new skills. Winning the top prize can be a priority, meeting like-minded innovators, and creating real-world impact for ocean sustainability. So these are the 4 options.
This is really great. This is what we all want to see: real-world impact solutions. And also, with this specific hackathon, as Kate mentioned, it's very important to us to have participants use the Digital Twin Ocean platform to provide us with feedback. This is a project that many people have been working on for quite some time now, and before we launch it further, before we go entirely public with this platform, we really appreciate any feedback that we can get on what works well, on what does not. You'll see that we are actually giving 10 additional points to any team that decides to fill out the use case template. That is a very important document for us. So, and it is part of, it would definitely be part of creating a real world impact for ocean sustainability, because this is the kind of information that we can take on board along with your pitches after the hackathon. Great to know that there are so many people that are going to look for good solutions.
All
And
right.
there you go.
Last
Many
one.
hackathons, I'm sorry.
So how many hackathons have you been part so far? So this one is your first, the OpenSea Lab 4.0. 1 to 3, more than 5, I lost the count.
I think seeing from the messages we received during registration, we do have a lot of people here that have been that have participated in at least 2 EMODnet hackathons so far. And we have also quite a few people that have lost count
Yes,
of
let's see.
hackathon participation.
Let's see the results.
Oh, well.
So 70% of the people is their first hackathon. We will be there for you guys. So reach out to me anytime since it's your first. Then we have a few people, 1 to 3, more than 5, 6%. And one person has lost the count. So maybe if you can reach out to me on Discord and tell me who you are, then we will discuss about hackathons more. Okay, so I think it's it for the polls, Angeliki.
Okay,
so
we have some information, some additional information. As you just mentioned, this is a very important point. And not just if it is your first hackathon, but as we mentioned multiple times during the warm-up sessions, you can consider the coaches and the mentors as part of your team. They are experts. They're here to support you. So really, it would be very valuable, we believe, to you to reach out, to ask questions. If you need to ask to set up a short meeting online, go over your idea with them. And again, also with the mentors, when it comes to your data, the coach is going to be your best friend. They know everything. We have people joining us. We have colleagues from Copernicus Marine. We have colleagues from Gliz. We have colleagues from EMODnet. And this is all together. We form the Digital Twin Ocean platform. So there's a lot of knowledge there, and you should use that. So Michele is now going to take you through some of the next steps.
Yes. So hackathon timeline and key moments. So today, 25th of March, What do we have in plan? Basically at 2 p.m. Central European time, all the times are in CET time zone. So we have the first submission of the deliverable number 1, the project summary. And at the end of the day at 6, we have the submission of the deliverable number 2, the presentation. So that would be it for the first day. 26th of March, tomorrow, at the end of the day, 5 p.m., we have an optional deliverable supporting evidence link. So basically, this deliverable is to provide everything on top of the mandatory deliverables, which are deliverable 1, 2, and 5. You can provide anything that you want. You have the details about that on the hack guide, and you can reach out to me also if you have any further doubts. We have the deliverable number 4 option that was mentioning Angeliki a few moments ago. So the publication of the solution in the EMODnet use cases. Let me remind you that you get 10 additional points to your final score if you provide this deliverable. And then at the very end of the second day tomorrow, deliverable number 5, the video pitch. So this is the plan for the hackathon. Then you can go to get some rest, and because the evaluation process will start exactly as 6. And then after that, we will get together again on the 27th of March for the pitching and winners announcement. So this is the plan for the whole hackathon. Now it's a moment for revealing what the coaches and the mentors, right? Because we have these beautiful people supporting you. As you've seen in your Discord channel, we have been adding your dedicated mentors, so you feel free to reach out to them, and also on the challenge channels and the coaches channel. So in there, it's a general channel for you to get support from them. So this is us working for you in Brussels in a meeting, and you can see all the beautiful faces of the people helping you in this couple of days. Okay, now let's go talk about the mini challenges. We have a couple of mini challenges. They're called EMODnet Poem and Treasure Hunt. So let's explore the EMODnet Poem. The EMODnet Poem is, you should, if you want to participate, I highly recommend it. It's very fun. You should write a short poem of maximum 8 lines, inspired by EMODnet, Edito, Ocean Data, and Ocean Sustainability Challenges, and post it on LinkedIn. So what is the goal of this mini challenge? So you should explain how Edito can help capture the beauty, the challenges, and the importance of the ocean using data-driven themes. So here we will provide you with a template of a text that you can use, but you can come up with your own one. So this is the EMODnet poem, the first mini challenge that will happen today. You will see a new channel on Discord appearing, and you will be able to understand all the details, additional details in that channel. Second one, it's for tomorrow, EMODnet Data Treasure Hunt. So here we basically asking you if you can find and share an interesting or unexpected marine data fact using EMODnet. So you should go to the EMODnet map viewer, find an intriguing data set, surprising map feature, or something cool about the ocean, take a screenshot and post it on LinkedIn. So in here also we will provide you a text that you can use, a preformed text that you can use to post this on LinkedIn. And you're not going to do this for nothing, let's say, for fun, but you will win extra access to Edito. So the two individual winners will win extra access to Edito. So these are the mini challenges. Again,
Just
we will provide
to explain this this extra access to Edito. So these mini challenges are meant to be fun. We always include them so that you can break up a little bit from the intensity of hacking. Again, you don't have to participate. But indeed, the prize is going to be that we're going to give you some extra CPUs in order to be able to continuously access and continue to learn or work on something that you are interested in on the Digital Twin Ocean platform after the hackathon, which again is a quite valuable. It's a quite valuable prize, we believe, given the fact that the platform is in effect still in a beta test phase. And it's a unique opportunity for you to really be able to be on that platform and work on it and provide feedback. It's a very pioneer platform, as many of you have heard in the past few weeks. So we would love for you to participate in these mini challenges and see what you can come up with.
Thank you,
And I
Angeliki.
see the question. The templates of mini challenges are all going to be on Discord. As Michele said, it will be very easy to find.
Yes, you will get everything. But it doesn't end here, because we have another thing, which is the official OpenSea Lab Hackathon playlist. On the OpenSea Lab free, it was on Spotify. This time we decided to do it on YouTube. So if you would like, we will create an additional music channel. I will paste the link to the playlist there, and you can paste the link of your songs that must be related to the ocean, something sailing, waves. So either the title of the song or the artist must contain some word related to the ocean. So last time, I believe we had around 150 songs, something. It was crazy, something crazy. So let's see if we can maybe have more songs this year. It will be fun. It will be fun to come up with this playlist. And yeah, maybe Angeliki, now with this, back to you to officially launch the hackathon.
So indeed, we have 1 minute left. We didn't want to keep you this. We didn't want to keep you too long this morning. We want you to get together with your teams, connect, start having conversations. You already have deliverables for today. There's a lot going on that you're going to be working on. So from our side, we want to wish you the best of luck. We really look forward to seeing your solutions. We are here for you. Let us know if you need any type of support. We're going to do our best to provide anything that you need. So good luck with the hacking, get going, and we will be seeing you again in 2 days' time when we are going to be giving away the prizes. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.
Good
Happy
hacking.
hacking. Bye bye.
Happy hacking. Bye-bye.